Hello Mr. Pen family, happy Mr. Pen Monday. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you these colorful pigment ink pens. There are 16 different colors. They are smear resistant, quick dry, and minimal bleed. They are also high pigment. So let's go ahead and test these out. These seem like they would be pretty comparable to other felt tip pens from other brands. I might do another video sometime soon comparing them to another brand, but I'm going to go ahead and show you, test them out on some paper. Okay, so here are swatches of all of the different pen colors. We have red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, teal kind of green, sky blue, dark blue, light purple, light pink, light brown, dark brown, gray, and black. All of these are very true to their color. I had a little bit of trouble with the light purple, but after scribbling with it a little bit, I got it to work. So all of these worked pretty well. I would say they're very comparable to brands like Papermate. Maybe that'll be another upcoming video, we'll see. But I really like these, and I would definitely recommend you check them out if you like this type of pen.